It's possible to have your favorite herbs grown at home. You don't need to break the bank to get a farm or go far to plant your herbs. Herbs grow well indoors or outdoors, and best of all, they require little maintenance. Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor, kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Today, I'll be covering 5 easy-to-grow herbs. Before we consider what the 5 easy-to-grow herbs are, there are a few basic tips to keep in mind in order to achieve success when growing any herb indoors or outdoors. And I will be starting with that first. Are you ready? If you are, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is to choose a sunny spot where your herb pot can thrive under bright sunlight. Just in case you choose to plant your herbs indoors, get LED grow lights clamped to the side of your herb pot. Your choice of pot also contributes to the growth of your plant. Get pots with drain holes. These types of pots are the best option because they allow drainage. Another thing you should consider is your soil type. Ensure that you choose peat-free soil. These types of soil are high in organic matter and are great for growing herbs. Now that you have your pot and the best soil, choosing your herbs is the next thing to do right. It is ideal to start by growing herbs that you use frequently. If you are always reaching out for parsley, grow parsley. If you crave the flavor from a fresh bay leaf, grow bay. Any herb you use for cooking can be planted. Up next are 5 easy-to-grow herbs that are easy to plant and maintain. I love me some basil. It adds flavor and has lots of health benefits. You can just chop and toss it into your favorite salad. This herb is sun and warmth loving and is easy to plant. A pot, few seeds, and a warm area can produce basil herbs. Parsley is our second herb on the list with so many health benefits. It adds flavor to dishes like soups, salads, and fish recipes. This herb can be grown from seed, and you can harvest it by cutting the stem halfway down. In third place is rosemary. Rosemary does not only add flavor to your food, but also freshens the air thanks to its pungent scent. You can replant it by cutting and keeping its roots in a pot. Ensure that you keep the potting soil moist until you see new growth. Bay leaves are next and are used in cooking for their distinctive flavor and fragrance. This is a perennial herb and should be kept in a window facing east or west. It requires air circulation to stay healthy, so avoid crowding it. Planting rosemary and bay leaves require air circulation, moisture, and no crowding. They are unique herbs with special planting and harvesting processes. The last herb on our list is thyme. It is a commonly used herb that should be planted outdoors. Its harvesting time is all year round and is done by cutting halfway down the stem and plucking out the leaves for use. Growing these herbs is not so difficult. You can start your own herb potted garden. Are there herbs you would love to plant? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.